Hello, I'm David Brown, and welcome to my classroom. Today I'm working on creating my Bitmoji classroom. So what I'm doing is, as you can see, I'm setting up my classroom here for the beginning of school. And so far I've already put a desk, a wall, a background, a welcome to my classroom, and one of my logos of my favorite college football team, Alabama Crimson Tide. So let's add a little bit of text and let's add some more features to this, and we'll walk through this as we go. So I want to put what my classroom name of my classroom, what class it is. So right here under the whiteboard on the wall, what I'm going to do is click on the text box, and I'm going to come here and add a text box. So I'm going to have to move this around in order to get to fit my screen. So I'll move the text box, and next thing I want to do is type. So here I'm going to type AP Human Geography. As you can see, it is currently in black lettering. So if I want to change the lettering, I'm going to click on my three little dots here for the more icon and come over here to where it says text color. I'm going to click on that, and next I want to select the text color in which to change the color of my words. So since the first one is blue, let's go with something a little bit more in contrast. We'll try orange since our school color here is orange. So I want to highlight and go back to orange, and boom, it has changed it to orange. Now the next thing I want to do is, since it's kind of hard to read, I want to change the font size. So I will just take my mouse here, my cursor here to font size, and I want to go down to the appropriate size. Let's go 24, not quite what's on my others, so let me add, there we go. Now you can see that the font color has been changed to orange. The text size has been, font size has been increased, but let's say we want to do a few more adjustments to it. So I'm going to highlight it again, go to my dots, more. So let's go over here and look at what are some of the other things that we can do. For one, highlight color if we so choose. Let's put it in bold so that we can make it really want to stand out on the screen. Next, if we want to change the font, we're going to go here to Arial. Where's this Arial? Click on the drop down button tab and then scroll through here to see what type of text we would want. So as we go through here, the Welcome to Mr. Brown's Classroom is in Comic Sans MS. So let's see if we can find something different that might stand out just as well, but be a little different. So I'm going to choose permanent marker. That seems like it would be a good bold font. So I click on permanent marker, and voila, there it is. AP Human Geo now appears in permanent marker, which is shows a different contrast, but we still have the same information there. Mr. Brown's Classroom, AP Human Geography. So let's say that I wanted to add a picture of myself, or in this case, my Bitmoji. So I'm going to come over to the top of the screen, the little puzzle piece, and I'm going to come down here to Bitmoji. I'm going to click on Bitmoji, and while Bitmoji is coming up, when it pulls up, I'm going to have a long list of different options here in my Bitmoji page to choose from. So as I scroll through here, I'm just going to pick out something that I like, or something that will fit just for right now and that will work. So let's look through here and I'll find something pretty quickly. Let's see here, since I do like Star Wars, I'm going to type in Star Wars up here, and it's going to pull up some Bitmoji Star Wars. So in this case, I'm going to pull up the one with me holding a lightsaber, and I kind of like this one here with the purple lightsaber. So I'm going to right click and copy image. And when I do, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to right click and paste, and it's going to place my image there. So I'm going to move myself over here onto the desk. That makes it look like I'm standing on my own desk. I'm going to readjust the size here. And so now I have my Bitmoji of me in my St. Louis Cardinal baseball cap with the St. Louis Cardinal t-shirt, and it looks almost as though that my lightsaber is pointing to my geography class. So what I want to do is adjust this a little. So I'm going to click on the text box and raise it, and boom, there we go. So this is a real short, quick introduction, and hope you enjoy.